Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to kick off a new series. Yes, I'm bringing you a series to help you stay happy and healthy through the holidays. I'm so excited to partner with Earth Echo Foods to bring you the series. You're going to be getting 3 videos with 3 amazing tips on how to stay healthy, on how to stay happy, and either maintaining or losing weight during the holidays. Yes, it can happen. So what we're going to do is feature recipes that are delicious, recipes that are satiating, make you feel good, make you feel satisfied, but also very healthy for you. So today kicks off that series. Today I'm bringing you 3 delicious recipes to help you maintain or lose weight during the holidays. Let's get to it. So I'm really excited to bring you these recipes today because it has 3 things that I love and I feel is super necessary when being healthy, losing weight, and maintaining weight. Protein, healthy fats, and something delicious, chocolate flavor from the raw cacao. So this is what we're working with, guys, for our 3 delicious recipes. Our base is going to be unsweetened almond milk. This is organic almond milk. You can get this from Whole Foods. I like their 365 brand because it's very reasonably priced and it's organic, unsweetened, has a hint of vanilla, and it's plant-based. So that's going to be my base. I have protein powder for the first recipe. It has a little bit of vanilla in it as well. Chia seed and flax seed. Don't worry, those flax seeds are going to get ground up when we make our mixture. And the Cacao Bliss by Earth Echo Foods, which has so many other things in there that are amazing besides the raw cacao, like turmeric, MCT oil, another healthy fat, all of these superfoods with the cinnamon, the Himalayan sea salt, which is really good to boost your electrolytes, lucuma, that's good for blood sugar regulation, which is good because you don't want to be spiking and feeling hungry. And of course that delicious cacao flavor. It's going to make it chocolatey and delicious. On to the next recipe. We're going to be using a green superfood blend. Give you some greens without buying a bunch of produce that you might be afraid it's going to go bad. Some avocado, healthy fats, creamy and delicious, of course. And then again, our cacao for our chocolatey flavor. Third recipe is going to be a pumpkin spice protein powder, a peanut butter that's super creamy. And the good thing about this one is there's no sugar added, just peanuts and a pinch of salt. Can you believe it? I'm so happy I found this. And of course our chocolate. So this is going to be a pumpkin spice peanut butter chocolate smoothie. This middle one is going to be a green superfood avocado chocolate smoothie. And this third one is going to be a protein powder rich in omega 3s chocolate smoothie. So, if you are intermittent fasting and you are getting ready to break your fast and have your meal, this is really good to have before because it has the healthy fats in it. It's going to make you feel satisfied right away. And I'm the kind of person that likes to take my vitamins and supplements with a smoothie. So if you're like me, it's nice to have something creamy to drink the supplements down with. And yeah, I'm not a water person when it comes to taking my vitamins and supplements. So I like to have something like this. And I've learned that from kind of trial and error of just like noticing that I'm skipping my vitamins and supplements because I'm not having the smoothie, because I've kind of gone a little while without having the smoothie. So yeah, I definitely recommend having this to break your fast. I also recommend having these different smoothies after you have your regular meal because you may want to have something late at night that's chocolatey. Not too late, of course, but like within your window if you're intermittent fasting. You might want to have something that is chocolatey or sweet, you know, on the sweet side, like a dessert. If you're not having wine, or if you're not having chocolate or like a dessert, you know, after dinner, this is perfect for that. So yeah, something to break your fast with, and then something to top it off at the end of the night, kind of like a nightcap. Chocolate, delicious. And I got these 3 different flavors for you that are super healthy. So without further ado, let's get into the recipes. I just wanted to pop in and tell you that because it's helpful, especially when, you know, you're just trying things out. And I've kind of learned that from trial and error, that I like to have smoothie for my supplements and something good with the healthy fats to break my fast, and also something at the end of the night to kind of like curb my appetite after I've had my like big healthy meal with greens and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah. All right. Okay, first recipe, let's go. Protein powder, cacao from Earth Echo Bliss, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, natural of course, nothing added, just a little bit of salt, 2 cups of ice to make it nice and creamy, and we're gonna add some almond milk. Of course, I'll leave the whole entire recipe for you guys in the description box. Let's do this. So look how much you get. That's a lot. That's probably 2 servings if you're going to use this size, or 1 serving if you're going to use 1 nice big cup. So yeah, I will pour this in here and show you guys what it looks like. Nice and creamy, peanut buttery, chocolatey smoothie that is very healthy and good for you. Super frothy. No bananas needed because you add those 2 cups of ice. Just clean this up here and enjoy a sip on camera with you guys. Look how good that looks. Recipe number 1, slim, healthy, and happy. Okay, here we go. Recipe number 1. Oh, it's so good, guys. It's like a chocolate peanut butter Reese's peanut butter cup. But you know, it's healthy. So good. It's nice to have that refreshing smoothie. So I hope you guys will try this. It's very good. I'm at a loss for words because it's good. I just want to drink it. All right, without further ado, let's get on to the next recipe. Okay, let's do it. Okay, recipe number 2. This is what we got going on. The cacao. The greens mix. Healthy greens. And the avocado. We're going to blend that up with some almond milk. I'm sure I'll be adding a little bit of water in there as well. Of course, I'll leave the full recipe in the description box below. Let's do it. Yep, we're using the whole entire avocado. Drawers out there. Now let me add the healthy greens and the cacao. Now I'm going to add half a cup of the almond milk. Just a cup of ice this time because the avocado is going to make it very creamy. And then 1 cup of water. Go ahead and pop that top on their blender. Alright guys, this nice creamy avocado green smoothie is ready. Also has a hint of chocolate because of the cacao bliss. Let's pour it and see how delicious and creamy it looks. Oh yeah, that's good. Look how delicious and creamy that looks, guys. So I'm going to actually put this in the freezer, and instead of having it as a smoothie this time, I'm going to have it as like a creamy dessert, frozen dessert. I'll have that later on today. I'm going to go ahead and get into the next recipe. Alright guys, and for our last recipe, we got our protein powder, we got our cacao bliss, we got our flax seeds and chia seeds. We're going to add some almond milk, some ice of course, and a little bit of water. I'll leave the entire recipe in the description box below. This recipe is very simple, but it's super tasty. If you want to add an extra bit of sweetness, go ahead and add a little bit of maple syrup. I'm not adding any extra sweetness today for this because I want to keep my blood sugar stabilized and try to stay in fat burning mode as much as possible. But you can definitely add a little bit of maple syrup, maybe like a teaspoon, to give it a little bit of extra sweetness. Alright guys, let's do this. Putting our protein powder, our cacao bliss, our flax seeds and chia seeds, super healthy. We're going to do half a cup of almond milk. And a cup of water. And then we're going to add some ice. Alright guys, recipe number 3 is all ready. Chocolatey deliciousness. Move out of the way there. Pour this up. And it is ready to enjoy. There you go. Great recipe when you want something decadent and delicious. Something that will help you feel good and feeling and full without all the extra calories and guilt. Packing on the pounds for the holidays. We don't want to do that. We want to stay healthy and happy, but also be satiated and satisfied. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Of course, the full recipe and discount codes for Cacao Bliss will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe so you get the entire series. It's going to be a 3-part series. Make sure you like this video so you see more videos like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!